Hello everyone. In this video, we will show you the website self Facebook Pixel module created by Software Technologies. This module integrated with Pixel tracking directly into your Odoo e-commerce website. In this module, we tracking key events like add to cart, add to watch list, being checkout, lead, page view, purchase, view view product list. Also, even track lists. We will also show you how these events appear in Facebook Event Manager. Let's start with configuration. You will notice in configuration new section called tracking log. Here, click manage service to create and manage your pixel services. A cleanup period or internal tracking logs. This defines how many days to retain tracking logs data before the system automatically clean it up. Unlike log after period. Enable this to completely delete old logs entry. Here you can select product identifier. Whenever tracking event should be product ID, internal reference or barcode. Exclude delivery to remove shipping cost from purchase and checkout event value. You can select this. Okay, now let's create tracking service record. Here you can name whatever you want, like Facebook Pixel, my Facebook Pixel, and my website, Facebook Pixel. Here you can select website if you run multiple websites. Type default selected Facebook Pixel. Here pixel key you can add. This pixel key you can get from Facebook Pixel Event Manager. Item, you can select item type, like you want to track a product from using product template ID or product variant ID. Here category type, e-commerce category or public category, product category. Make sure you can enable active for tracking your records, and you can also enable internal logs for track your logs internally in Odoo. This helps you to debug and analytics. After internal logs, now we check advanced matching. Advanced matching customer data source. Here two types: website visitor or sell order partner. You can select which data you can send to the Facebook Pixel. Let's send customer data along with Pixel event to improve Facebook ad targeting. First, choose customer data source entire form. The customer data source what we select sell order partner. Now you can select which want you send to the Facebook Pixel, like external ID, IP, user agent, customer name, all things you can enable. Now you can also enable all things as a one click, like enable allowed, disable all, one click you can disable all things. For this, some sensitive field like name, email, phone, you can enable async for privacy. Okay, now we check from front end. Now in go to the website and shop. Here you don't have a login. You just normal public user or visitor. For check, you can select metapixel helper to check. When you visit website page, here track your one event. Here we can see page view. This page view we can see event. This event automatically sent to the pixel. No extra configuration needed. Now when visitor open product page, there another activity show view content. You can see there two different events show page view and view content. In the view content, you can check which value sent to the pixel, like content category, service, content ID, content name, content type, currency, and value. Value means price. This price sent to the pixel. Now we will check add to cart event. There is a add to cart event which the product ID, content type, and quantity sent to the pixel. Add to cart. See when you click add to cart button. Let's see add to cart event. In add to cart you can check content ID, product type, and quantity. How many quantity added into add to cart. This helps Facebook check purchase and send and optimize your ad for people most like to buy. Now you can check what wish list, add to which wish list. Now when user add product into wish list, this also tracked by metapixel. Now check into wish list. Sorry, now here we can check which product added into wish list. Here content ID means product ID and type, product type, product get added into wish list. Now when we go to the checkout page, here we can see the initial checkout with the product cart value, category, number of item, and order IDs. If you enable exclude delivery in setting, the shipping cost automatically deduct from the value and sent to the Facebook. Now click checkout. Now here is read the details. Here that initiate checkout. In initial checkout, currency, number of item, order ID means sell order ID, and value. These all things get when initial checkout fire. Now go to the purchase. When purchase fire. After the order is confirming purchase order fire. When you add payment method, this is a demo payment method. So now we can direct checkout pay now. After the order is confirming, a purchase event is fired on the track your page purchase. This is most important event for Facebook ads optimization. The purchase event include content, contact type, currency, order ID, transaction. Means sell order and values. How much purchase you, how much cost purchase you. This all thing you check here. Okay, this is final purchase flow. Now we check lead event. When user click on contact us page and add all details about the user, all details added in here. The module also track lead events. When visitor submit the contact us form and load thank you page, the lead event is triggered here. Here you can see all details of contact. The pixel helper confirm it a lead event with the contact name. This create tracking for non-purchase convenience like inquiry and contact form submission. Now let's see how Facebook manager looks like event. How Facebook event manager looks like this. Like data set, here our tracking IDs, and here we can track all events like page view, view content, add to cart, initial checkout, purchase, add to watch list, and events. Here all activities show in event manager, Facebook event manager. Here how many times you can visit page view, like month ago, days ago, all things here. How many product you view, you can see view content. This is how many product you open and only view, not purchase. Add to cart, how much product you can you was add to cart in week, previous day, particular day. You can all track here in event manager. All thing you can see. Okay, now let's check internal logs. Now let's go back to the Odoo and check internal logs. Here this is all internal logs that track in Odoo. Here you can see every single events captured by Odoo, like add to cart, add to watch list, being checkout, lead, page view, purchase, view product. All events you can see here. The list we show every type, like created one, event type, visitor, product, and sell order. You can use search panel, this on the left side to filter by event type or service type. Let me open one record for see full details. In the here you can check all details like tracking service, which service track this record, event type, add to cart, data channel, this is browser, created one, country, and with that flags, visitor or sell order. Here you can check all the details like which sell order connected to this log record. In the payload, here is product show which product you are here purchased. In the payroll tab, you will see raw JSON data that exists same data that sent to the Facebook. This all data sent in Facebook pixel. And in the technical tab, you will see and find URL, which URL fires Facebook browser ID, user IP address, user agent. This gives you complete visibility into what data is being tracked in both Odoo and Facebook. Okay, now let's check cookie consent and privacy. In the setting, go here, Odoo standard cookie privacy. If this is enabled on your website, you will see optional option called Facebook pixel. Consent is revoked by default. When it is enabled, the pixel will not fire for new visitor until they accept optional cookies. Once they accept, all queue events are sent automatically, so you never lose tracking data. Now let's check this option how it's work. Here not see, let us see now incognito mode. You can here you can see privacy will not accept here, no open any records. Now go back to this page. Here not track anything. This same behavior in Facebook. Now we can agree this. Now this data tracked in Facebook in our system. Okay, this is a complete flow. Or one flow is log cleanup. Here we give you automatic delete old records. This setting is if enabled, unlike after log period. For example, you added 30 days. After 30 days, all old log records are deleted. A schedule action runs daily in the background, processing records in the page for optimized performance and with 10,000 records. That's our module. The website self Facebook pixel module is given you complete Facebook integration with event tracking, AdWords matching, internal logs, tracking, cookie consent, and automatic cleanup all rights inside Odoo. As we show, every event fired from Odoo appear in real time in Facebook Event Manager. If you have any question, feel free to reach our support team. Thank you for watching.